It literally took me like an hour and a half to muscle it up there. The CD009 is attached to our 2JZ. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel, whichever. If you haven't seen us rebuild and regasket this engine, the video will be up in the card over here, maybe, if I remember to put it there. If not, it's in my videos, doesn't really matter. Anyway, what we are doing today is we are going to change out this pulley right here, because Jason basically roasted me about it being ugly and stupid, just like the rest of the front of this thing, even though the rest of it's nice. I didn't really have the funds to rebuild everything super nice and pretty. So we're gonna take this plastic off, clean it up a little bit, take off the pulley, clean it up a little bit, and then that's what we'll do for now. But so that we can start mounting it up in the car and getting everything laid out so that I can make our custom engine brackets and custom trans bracket, which will be in the next video, because I guarantee you this will take much longer than I think it's going to. Let's get started. Alright, so Jason might have been right, the front cleaned up actually pretty well. It looks significantly better with the better pulley. Anyway, the next part of the build, taking this thing off the engine stand, finally. It's been on here for like 2 months. Actually probably longer than that. And we're gonna go ahead and put it on the cherry picker, pick it up. We'll find a way to put it on the ground so that we can put our new custom flywheel on that came with our kit. That way we can start mounting up the trans. All that fun jazz. Alright, so we've got our pilot bushing pressed in there. Pretty good. It took forever. Now we've got our flywheel here with our ARP flywheel bolts. They get torqued down to 75 foot-pounds. And make sure to use this lube. That's a lot of lube for 8 bolts, so don't use it sparingly. Alright, ladies and gents, so as y'all see, we got our flywheel on and bolted down. Now it is time to put on our clutch. It is stage 2, 3, 4 clutch, I think. Multi-plate. I don't know. It's gonna put the power to the ground. Doesn't matter. Basically, with the kit, you can order any CD009 adapter clutch kit. In which case, we went with competition clutch. Frankie actually runs one on his 240SX that was here until he left me. Still sad about that. All right, ladies and gents, the trans is finally off. It literally took me like an hour and a half to muscle it up there. So yeah, the CD009 is attached to our 2JZ. I am so happy. Oh, that took way too long. But the next feat is to go ahead and get this thing up, and let's go ahead and place it in the car. I'll do that this episode, why not? So I'll just put it in here, try to mock it up where it's going to kind of go, and we'll see what she looks like in the car by the end of the episode. Alright guys, so the engine is kind of in the car a little bit, so I'll show you some B-roll here, but basically it's not even close to where it's going to land. The back of the engine is going to be pretty close to the firewall, so I also forgot to chop the old transmission mounts that are inside. They really narrow the transmission tunnel, and the CD009 is a monster, so I have to go in there, cut those out. In the next episode, you will see engine mounts being mocked up and made. I'm really excited. I can't wait for this thing to actually be in the car. Then we gotta, measure for fun things like drive shaft and, figure out what we're gonna do for axles. But that's later Grant's problem. Thanks again for watching till the end of the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram if you're not, and I'll catch you on the next one.